Here's a quick and easy way to draw a 60-degree angle with just a compass and a straight edge. First thing to do is put the end point of your compass on the end point of your line where you want the vertex of the angle to be, and you're just going to draw an arc all the way around like so. Keeping the same compass setting, you're going to put the point of the compass where those intersect and make a short intersecting arc up here. Now, where that intersection is between that and the end point of the line is going to be 60 degrees.